What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I got some of my favorite personal accessories for my iPhone 14 Pro. So I'm not gonna hold you up, we're just gonna get straight into the video. We're gonna start this video off with an unboxing. Shout out to Nomad, one of my favorite accessory cases for Apple accessories and tech accessories period. They have really aesthetically pleasing and quality accessories, guys. So what we got right here is the magnetic charger. This is basically a charging stand, Qi charging up to 15 watts, and it's still MagSafe compatible to charge your iPhone. As you can see, just beautiful packaging, guys. The quality of these products is just on par with this beautiful packaging and unboxing experience. As you can see on the back, 15 watt magnetic Qi charging, 7.5 watts for iPhones, because you guys know I switch between Android and iPhone. Weighted metal body with glass face, 20 watt USB-C adapter required, not included. Now that glass is big, guys, because a lot of times we have these accessories and these charging accessories, they have no weight to them. They slide around the desk. You find yourself using two-sided tape for them. This is not that. This has a nice heft to it, a nice weight, a nice style, and a nice design too, that's aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Let's get it out. Now, when I say presentation, guys, this is a gorgeous presentation. As you can see, it's glass and weighted ceramic type look, and look how it's presented in the box. Nice heft, it's not going anywhere. Glass build, and as you can see, we got some Nomad branding on the bottom and a nice rubber pad so it doesn't slide around any surface that you're gonna put it on. Very nice piece of tech accessory right here, guys. Braided cable, just looks very quality. It'll be very aesthetically pleasing on any desk setup. And we are charging. We have a dock mode enabled. When you get the iOS 17, I'm a beta test, I'm on iOS 17. As you can see, you can actually charge your iPhone on your MagSafe charger in a landscape mode where it'll show your clock and your calendar. And I think this is nice and clean, guys. I know there's a lot of 3-in-1 chargers. I'm not into those chargers that's a stand for your watch, your AirPods, and your phone, because it gets kind of crowded and it looks kind of junky. To me, this is very aesthetically pleasing, very simple. When I go to grab one thing, everything doesn't fall off. I just like this option right here, but it'll be a link down in the description, but let's keep it going. Another one of my favorite Apple accessories for my iPhone 14 Pro, guys, is this case. This is a beautiful airman fiber case from Pataka. It is the Mag-Easy Case 3, but this is actually a limited edition case. It comes in a whole kit. It's called the Sunset Moment Case Limited Edition. This is that version of the Mag-Easy Case 3, and as you can see, we got the Pataka branding. Just a beautifully woven air fiber combination of colors to make this case. And in the kit, you not only get the case, you get a matching ring for your finger / kickstand, which matches the case perfectly. It's very helpful if you want to use it as a kickstand, or you want to put your finger through it while you're using your device and holding it, you know, so it doesn't fall on your face. But it also comes with like some magnets and things of that nature. But this is actually a limited edition and numbered case, so very rare. I like things like that. Little touches like that you definitely have to pick up, because I'm just an accessory guy, and when something is limited edition, these airband fibers are just gorgeous on this case. I love how they're introducing the colors, and the texture of the case is insane. But definitely one of my favorite accessories for the iPhone. Now, when it comes to an audio solution, guys, as you know, I'm different. I'm BG Tech Life. I'm all over the place with tech, so I just don't like the norm. I actually, with my iPhone, because everybody to go to is the AirPods Pro 2 2nd Gen. I have those also, but I want something different. I want to have a conversation starter. So these transparent Beat Studio Buds Plus was just a dope option for me. I really like these little fellas. Now, it is a drawback to them. They don't have wireless charging, and they don't have all of the continuity that the AirPods may have with the iPhone, but they sound The sound is A1, and they have a transparency mode and a noise cancellation that works really well. So I get by with them. Definitely a conversation starter. I like how they look. I like how they sound. Just a cool pair of earbuds that still pair with the iPhone pretty well. As you can see, you got your transparency mode, your noise cancellation. I'll put a link down in the description. These guys sound A1 though. If they have anything over the AirPods, it's the sound. Last but not least, I also need a charging companion on the go. Now I found this little thing dope. It's the Anker 662 magnetic wireless charger. This thing works with MagSafe, and it is really dope. As you can see, it works as a kickstand also. Not the most powerful power bank here, but just something you could grab on the go to top your iPhone off when you need a little bit of extra battery power throughout the day. Everything in this video will be linked down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. These are my 5 personal favorite iPhone 14 Pro accessories that I like to utilize. It's your man BG. If you want more content like this, let me know down in the comment section. You're not following me on Threads, Instagram, and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. Go and give me a follow. It's your boy. I'm out. Peace.